Hello YouTubers. Today I will be working on my license plate light. As you can see, this one is working, but I still gonna have to clean it from inside too. Do you see how not bright that is? But this one over here is not working. And normally this is pretty easy fix. All you need just a flat screwdriver. Get in there from the side. Actually, the skinnier the screwdriver, the better it is. All you need to do, just prop this spring over here and it will drop. So here's what the problem I have. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it's full of water inside. See this? I don't know if the camera is catching that or not. So I caught this thing on the road. By the way, to change the light bulb, AutoZone, I mean you can buy it anywhere, but AutoZone, it's a Sylvanian 2825, and it's, I really don't remember, $5-6 for two. So I caught this on the road and was exactly the same thing, full of water. Oh yeah, you can see it, see? There's the water inside. So the quick fix, since I was with a load and on a hurry, took a piece of gum. I mean, to change it, it's really easy. Well, I don't know about how it's gonna go with the gum now, but you just twist it to the side. There you go, to the side. So obviously water's not coming through there. I need to figure out where the water's coming from, but yeah, see, it's full of water. And yeah, right there. So that's the problem I have. And obviously you can remember, I mean you can understand the water and electric don't go together. So yeah, see how much water I had still dripping. So now I don't know if it's the sealant from the top. Actually it's like a sponge seal in there. It's not holding, or I gotta figure out something. So that's my project for today. See, water got inside. It's still that the copper contacts all wet from the water, and you can see some of it on this light bulb. It seems the light bulb is still okay, but somehow, because see this connectors on a light bulb right here, on one side it comes one on one side and it should be on the other one, but I don't know how it got broken, but whatever. Obviously water is the problem here. I gotta clean the chunks that's still stuck in there. Chunk of the glass from the bulb still sitting in there. Well, it looks like the plug is ruined. The contacts on the other side are all rotted. So I am not gonna be able to fix it. I'm gonna have to get another plug somehow, somewhere. Let's see if I can at least figure out what the water coming from. Well, how about this? So it looks like it's coming through this seal, because right now I have it, it's full with water. It's not coming out anywhere. So everything pointed out that actually the problem is with the seal. Because now I have it full with water, it's not coming out anywhere. I just disconnected the other one, and the other one has the same story basically. See? Also filled with the nasty water. Not as much as the other one, but look at it. So this one looks like still working, but it's not gonna be for long. Not exactly sure if it's gonna help, but what I'm trying to do now, I basically remove the this gasket, and what I discovered, there is a hole over here with the super tiny. I have this Stanley kit with the tiny screwdrivers, and the super tiny flat ones through this hole. I don't know if I gonna if this is gonna actually do something, but the plan is I'm going on the road, and I don't want to get pulled over on the road without any lights. So this kind of give me at least hope that I could buy this plug from Ford or something. So yeah, the other one I cannot pull up, because this one actually still have this connector on the inside. So this one on the other side is all gone. I have some old plugs. Gonna try to maybe attach somehow that or take this apart or something. I don't know at this point. So just I gotta come up with something, because I gotta get on the road, and this is early at night, and this is already late Saturday. Dealership obviously closed. Maybe I could try AutoZone or something, I'm not sure, they might have something. But yeah, that looks... So through this hole I was able to pry this wire out. And the plan is right now to come up with some kind of connector from this wire to the light bulb. So here's what I did. This is a temporary, obviously, repair, but I found a plug, the old one, and took it apart, and basically this part over here on my original got rotted out. So I kind of pushed the old one out, cut this piece over here, solder it together, I'm gonna caulk this part over here so it wouldn't soak any water. But obviously this is temporary repair. I just need to get on the road, and I will be looking to buy 2 brand new plugs and do it right away. Yeah, right here, see where the O-ring didn't hold, I put the caulking, and right now I can see that it's dry inside, so there's no water. And I've been through rain. It's been 3 weeks. I don't remember if I mentioned that. So let's see. Twist. Yeah, now with the caulking, actually that's gonna be a little bit tricky, right? Yeah. Looks like I need to get a pliers. Yeah, with pliers it's super easy, I think. Oh, I have to go left. Yeah. Right. Yeah, let's see what's going on here. The bolt still seems to be okay though, so just maybe bad connection. Well, again, same problem when it's got all nasty in there. See, last time I just wiped it up and I didn't pull the light out, hoping that it's still gonna work and whatever. Well, what happened is, see this little wire going through from inside? You have it on this side, and if you can go to the other side, it's not there. It just broke over here at the edge. So the the bulb itself is still kind of good on the inside. It didn't burn, but without this little wire loop, you know, you see you have one over here, you should have one on the other side. Well, it broke. That's the reason why it doesn't work. Well, I'm done with this kind of stuff because obviously well, now with the caulking, I guess it probably would work. It's all green and whatever inside. Again, well, see, my van is 2015 and I have already 620,000 miles on mine. So maybe the problem is this O-ring, and maybe I should just replace that, but before it got all filled up with water and ruin over here. Well, at this point I checked with Ford. They do not have the pigtail just with this plug to replace. The whole harness is 50 bucks. So I come up with a cheaper version. Again, I don't know. See, this the light fixture itself seems fine, because I did the test last time, filled with the water, and it was leaking. So I guess I don't have to buy this. But the harness, 50 bucks. Pair of light bulbs is $6 or $7, so $57. Well, I come up with a better idea. Bought this LED light on eBay. They say this is good for 6,000 hours. Even if it's a half that, it's a bargain. So 10 bucks. I'm gonna show the picture over here. Again, 10 bucks. I pay $10 for 2 for pair. So here's the cool thing about this. Well, at least it's LED. So what it means, it's all sealed up. The water's not gonna come in there. And what I was looking for, most of them, if you're gonna go with this option, pay attention, because most of them doesn't have this wire. They just have a plug that you go directly into this harness, and it should work in normal circumstances. as you can see, for me it wouldn't work because this socket maybe still gonna be okay, maybe not. So the plan A, see this wire over here, I'm gonna plug in, well, in a minute, and it should work. If not, plan B, I'm gonna cut this plug out and I'm gonna solder this to the wire over here. I mean, it's still cheaper. This one light is, I mean, the couple is $10, right? So, okay, my neighbor's about to start mowing. So 10 bucks for this versus harness for 50 bucks. I mean, so I don't know how long this is gonna last, but basically I could buy five of those lights. Again, I didn't buy more to see how it's gonna go. Obviously I'm gonna buy, if this is gonna be working fine, I'm probably gonna buy a replacement. And right now I'm not gonna cut this wire. I'll see if it's still gonna go like this. Let me see if I need to clean this a little bit better. The connection on this side looks a little bit better than the one that I had to solder on the other side, but let's see how's it gonna go. I mean, it's designed to fit this plug over here. Okay, so we'll see. I'll see how I'm gonna turn it on, see how bright this thing is, and it should be actually a lot brighter, which I don't really care about that part. It's super bright. So right now, since it's working fine, I'm not gonna be cutting this off, and I just gonna wrap this thing in with electrical tape, so this inside wouldn't get. Let's see how it's gonna go in there before I get too excited. Yeah, there's still enough room to fit that plug in there, just like that, just to compare brightness. See how bright this LED is compared to this. This was looking like super bright. Compared to this, it's nothing. Again, this is cops should worry about that, not me. But anyway, this is just an option how to fix the problem if you have something like I do. Like I said, to me it seems if water's getting in there, I already bought 3 sets of light bulbs, so like I said, that's already what, 25 bucks just on the light bulbs, you know, so I should go with this option in the first place, but you know, it is what it is. So that's how I fix my problem. And again, I know there are a lot of people watching my channel. About 99% of the viewers are not subscribed to my channel, so don't forget to click that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Good luck if you have something like that.